out of 11 candidates ghosted the offer. My agent flagged all 9 before they said no. Total cost, 87 cents. If you're a small agency losing finalists between the verbal yes and the signed contract, and you can't figure out why, this is the missing signal. I'll show you the exact 3-part pipeline: Gmail thread parcel, sentiment delta scorer on GPT-4o Mini, Telegram alert to the hiring manager. Most recruiting tutorials show you Monday or an ATS screening resumes. That's the wrong bottleneck. I build these agents for clients weekly. Let's start with where every ATS goes blind. Here's the situation a 6-person marketing agency brought me last quarter. They were hiring contractors, running a clean process on paper. Job posted, resume screened, 2 interviews, verbal offer, contract sent. And roughly 1 in 3 finalists was ghosting between the verbal yes and the signed contract. Not rejecting, not negotiating, just going quiet. By the time the hiring manager noticed, they'd already turned down the runner-up and had to restart the funnel. 2 weeks lost, every time. The first thing everyone suggested was the obvious stuff. Better screening, faster offers, a recruiting platform with agents. And look, Monday and the big ATS players do a decent job on the mechanics. They source, they screen resumes, they book interviews, they push status updates. That's real work, automated. But every one of those agents lives inside the platform's data model. They see fields. Stage moved from interview to offer. Candidate marked hot. What they never see is the actual email thread the hiring manager and the candidate are exchanging in Gmail. And that thread is where the signal lives. Here's what I mean. I pulled 6 months of Gmail threads from finalists, roughly 43 complete conversations. I read them the way a human would. And there was a pattern. Candidates who ended up ghosting almost always had a tone shift somewhere between their 2nd and 5th reply. Email 2. They're enthusiastic, asking about the team, the tools, when they can start. Email 5, they're 1 line long. Thanks, we'll review, get back to you soon. No question, no warmth, no forward motion. A human reading the thread top to bottom would feel it immediately. But nobody reads the thread top to bottom would feel it immediately. But nobody reads the thread top to bottom. The hiring manager reads the newest reply, answers it, moves on. The drift is invisible in real time. So I built a small agent that does exactly what a careful human would do, on every thread, every morning. 3 parts. Part 1 is a Gmail API pull. Standard, OAuth, filter by label, in this case a label called hiring active, that the manager applies to any candidate thread. The script pulls the full thread, not just the newest message, and splits it by sender, so we have a clean list of just the candidate's replies in order. Part 2 is the sentiment scorer. This is one prompt to GPT-4o Mini. I hand it the candidate's replies as a numbered list and ask it to return a JSON array with an enthusiasm score from 0 to 10 for each message, plus a 1-sentence reason. The prompt is explicit about what enthusiasm means in this context, asking forward-looking questions, using the team's name, proposing next steps, expressing specific interest in the role, not just politeness. Politeness stays constant. Enthusiasm decays. I run it on GPT-4o Mini because this is a scoring task, not a reasoning task, and the cost per thread lands around 2 cents. Across 43 threads, total token spend was 87 cents. Part 3 is the delta check and the alert. Simple Python. If the score on the candidate's latest reply is more than 3 points below their peak score in the thread, and the thread is in offer or post-interview stage, fire a Telegram message to the hiring manager's channel. The message is short: candidate name, current stage, peak score, latest score. The scorer's 1-sentence reason. No dashboard. No new tab to check. Same Telegram channel. They already look at 40 times a day. The results across those 43 threads, 11 got flagged as drift risks. Of those 11, 9 either declined the offer or went fully silent within the next 10 days. That's 82% precision on a signal the platform agents literally cannot see. And the 2 false positives were both candidates who came back around after a delay. One of them accepted. So even the misses weren't expensive. What changed operationally is small but real. When the alert fires, the hiring manager sends one short human message the same day. Not a follow-up, a check-in. Hey, sense some hesitation on the last note. Anything on your mind about the role or the offer terms? Happy to jump on a quick call. About half the time the candidate opens up. Compensation gap. Competing offer. Concern about the scope. Now the agency can actually respond instead of finding out 10 days later through silence. A few honest limitations. This works because the hiring conversations happen in email. If your process runs in LinkedIn DMs or WhatsApp, you need a different collector. The scorer is calibrated for professional English. I haven't tested it on multilingual threads. And it's a signal, not a verdict. If you want to see the kind of automations we ship for clients like this one, head to BizflowAI.io. And if this breakdown was useful, hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next agent build lands in your feed. If you've got a workflow that's leaking hours or money and you want it wired up properly, book a free 30-minute discovery call at BizflowAI.io. Bring the problem, we'll scope the fix.